So welcome back friends. In this part of video lecture series, so let us see the one component system. One component system, phase equilibria of one component system. So the example for one component system, one example is water system. So in our syllabus there are so many types of one component system. So as a part of our study part of one component system, we are looking forward the example of one component system as water system. So in this water system part, we are dealing with the three phases of water as solid ice phase, liquid water phase, or gaseous phase, that is vapor phase. So when we consider the three phases of water, so component is single component. That's why we call it as one component system. Example of one component system and three phases we are going to learn in this video series part of phase equilibrium unit 4. Now let us consider the phase equilibria of one component system, water system. Here the diagram of one component system is represented by different plots. The plot of temperature on x-axis versus pressure on y-axis is plotted here. The phase diagram or PT graph of the water is shown in figure. So as we see the screen part here, so the different dotted straight lines are shown here. So the phase diagram of the water system is represented. So first of all we have to draw the phase diagram or water system, the plot of pressure versus temperature. So when we consider the different curves here, we have labeled here by A, B, C, O and A dash words or notation here. Different curves are shown here: vapor pressure curve, super cooling curve, sublimation curve. Triple point is shown here at O, boiling point is shown here, then 4.68 millimeter of atmosphere is shown, 1 atmosphere is shown, 100 degrees temperature is shown, 0 degrees temperature is shown, 374 degree temperature is shown. Critical pressure is represented, temperature is represented on x-axis. So to understand the different curves and the different points from this figure, you have to first of all practice these so as we can understand the different terminology and different concepts from the one component system and the three phase one component water system. Now let us see, it is one component three phase system as it comprises of a pure substance water. Under ordinary conditions there are three possible phases: solid phase ice, liquid phase water, gaseous phase vapor. All these phases are represented by one chemical entity, water, and hence we call it as one component system. The number of phases which can exist in equilibrium anytime depends on the conditions of temperature and pressure. The diagrammatic representation is we have shown here in the plot form. Now let us consider the different terminology. Here the curves OA, OB and OC. From this curve we have seen curve OA, vapor pressure of water. It represents the vapor pressure of water at different temperature, that is effect of temperature on boiling point. The curve OA terminates at point A, the critical point PC, that is represented by 218 atmosphere, and TC, that is critical temperature 374 degree centigrade. When the vapor pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, the corresponding temperature, that is 100 degree centigrade as indicated in phase diagram, is boiling point of water. Now next is curve OB. Curve OB is nothing but sublimation curve of ice. Here along this curve, ice is in equilibrium with water vapor. It represents the vapor pressure of ice at different temperatures. At the lower limit, the curve OB terminates at point B, that is at absolute zero minus 273 degree centigrade, where no vapor exists. Another curve is curve OC, the fusion curve of ice. Curve OC is also known as the fusion curve of ice. Along this curve, ice is in equilibrium with water. It represents the effect of pressure on the melting point of ice. The curve OC is inclined towards pressure axis, indicates melting point of ice decrease with increase of pressure. Since ice melts with decrease in volume by the Le Chatelier's principle, the melting point is lowered by increase of pressure. Now, after this, next part is the atmosphere. The 1 atmosphere part, 1 atmosphere line meets the fusion curve at 0 degree centigrade, which is the normal melting point. Along the curve OA, OB, OC, there are 2 phases in equilibrium and there is 1 component. Here P is equal to 2 and C is equal to 1. When we apply phase rule, that is F is equal to C minus P plus 2, it becomes, when we place the C and P value here in the phase rule, F is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 1. It has 1 degree of freedom, that is monovariant. Another point is the triple point O. The curve OA, OB and OC meet at the triple point O. At a point O, ice, water and water vapor are in equilibrium. This point O occurs at 0.0076 degree centigrade and vapor pressure 4.58 millimeter of Hg. Since here P is equal to 3, C is equal to 1, F is equal to C minus P plus 2 is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, the system at triple point is non-variant. Thus, if temperature or pressure is changed, the 3 phases would not exist and one of the phase would disappear. Now, when we consider the different areas, here when we consider areas, area AOC, area AOB and area BOC, these are the 3 areas in the graph shown in the 1 component system part. The curves AO, BO and CO meet at point O, giving 3 areas. The areas or regions between the curves show the conditions of temperature and pressure under which only one phase, that is ice or water or vapor, exists. In area AOC, only liquid water exists. In area BOC, only solid phase, that is ice, exists. In area AOB, only gaseous phase or vapor phase exists. In area or in each area, P is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. When we consider the phase rule equation, F is equal to C minus P plus 2 is equal to 2. Thus, each area represents a bivariant system. In the curve or areas AOC, AOB and AOC, here two variables, pressure and temperature, must be specified to define the system completely. Now, another term which is important in this phase diagram of one component system is metastable system. The cooling of liquid between its freezing point without the separation of solid is called supercooling of liquid. Supercooling of liquid is always possible, but the reverse possibility is very low. The supercooled liquid exists in metastable or unstable state of equilibrium with its vapor. In the phase diagram of water, curve AO can be extended to A dash by cooling below its freezing point without separating ice. Hence, dashed curve O A dash represent metastable equilibrium between liquid water and its vapor. The curve OA lies above OB. Hence, metastable systems possess a higher vapor pressure than the stable system. As soon as a small piece of ice is kept in contact with supercooled liquid or it is slightly disturbed, it at once changes into the solid ice and the curve OA merges into OB. Thus, metastable state is very unstable. This state is chemically more reactive than stable state, so it is more soluble than stable form. So metastable condition is one of the possibility of advanced things of the normal stages of the critical curves which are shown in the figure. So up to this is the one component system, water system. In the next video part, we are dealing with the another example of same one component system type. So till then, continue watch of this video series part. Thank you.